Hello viewers, let's first discuss about similarity of triangles and then we shall learn the criteria for similarity of triangles. First start, similarity of triangles. There are two terms in geometry, congruence and similar. These two triangles ABC and DEF are congruent. We can write it as triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. That is, their corresponding parts are equal. It means angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, AB equal to DE, AC equal to DF, and BC equal to EF. On the other hand, similar means having a resemblance in appearance or quantity without being same or identical. Two triangles ABC and DEF are similar. That is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF if first their corresponding angles are equal. That means A angle equal to D angle, B angle equal to E angle, and C angle equal to F angle. Second, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, means proportional. That is, AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF, and that equal to AC upon DF. Before discussing the criteria for similarity of triangles, let us first discuss a result called basic proportionality theorem, called BPT, also known as Thales theorem. Statement for the basic proportionality theorem. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. This means in triangle ABC, if a line DE is drawn parallel to BC intersecting AB at D and AC at E, then we have AD by DB equal to AE by EC. We can modify this ratio to get more equivalent ratios known as corollaries. First corollary, AD upon AB equal to AE upon AC. Or AB upon AD equal to AC upon AE. Second corollary, BD upon AB equal to EC upon AC. Or AB upon BD equal to AC upon EC. Thus, these equivalent ratios are formed as per the basic proportionality theorem. Now study another result, that is converse to basic proportionality theorem. Statement: if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. This means in triangle ABC, if a line DE divides two sides AB and AC at points D and E in the ratio AD by DB equal to AE by EC, or AB by AD equal to AC by AE, or we can say that AD by AB equal to AE by EC. Then we have DE parallel to BC. Now let us discuss the criteria of similarity of triangles. First, AAA means angle similarity criterion. In two triangles, if their corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or proportion, and hence these two triangles are similar triangles. This means in triangles ABC and DEF, if their corresponding pairs of angles are equal, that is, angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. Then their corresponding sides are in the same proportion, that is AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF, that equal to AC upon DF, and hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Now there is an important point to note that similarity of two triangles depends on their corresponding matching pairs. For example, look at these three pairs of similar triangles with their different corresponding matching pairs. First pair, in triangles ABC and DEF, the corresponding matching pairs are angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, and the ratio of corresponding parts, these are AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF, that equal to SC upon DF, and hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Second pair, in triangles ABC and DEF, the corresponding matching pairs are angle A equal to angle F, angle B equal to angle D, angle C equal to angle E, and the ratio of corresponding parts are AB upon DF equal to BC upon DE, that equal to AC upon EF. Hence, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FDE. Now, third pair, in triangles ABC and EFD, the corresponding matching pairs are angle A equal to angle E, angle B equal to angle F, angle C equal to angle D, and the corresponding matching pairs are AB upon EF equal to BC upon DF equal to SC upon DE. Hence, triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFD. What do you observe now? The order of corresponding matching pairs in a pair of similar triangles determines the names of these similar triangles. Second criterion, SSS, means side similarity criterion. Statement, in two triangles, if their corresponding sides are proportional, that is in the same ratio, then their corresponding angles are equal, and hence these two triangles are similar. This means in triangles ABC and DEF, if AB upon DE equal to BC upon EF, that equal to AC upon DF, then angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, and hence triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Third criterion, SAS, means side angle side similarity criterion. Statement, in two triangles, if one angle of a triangle is equal to one angle of the other triangle and sides including these angles are proportional, then these two triangles are similar. This means in triangles ABC and DEF, if angle A equal to angle D and sides including these angles are proportional, means AB upon DE equal to AC upon DF, or AB upon AC equal to DE upon DF. Then the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Criterion 4. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of the right angle of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then the triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. This means if the perpendicular BD is drawn from the vertex B of the right angle B of right triangle ABC to the hypotenuse AC, intersecting it at D, then two right triangles BDA and CDB formed on both sides of the perpendicular BD are similar to the whole right angle ABC and to each other. Here BD is drawn perpendicular to AC, B angle equal to 90 degree in triangle ABC, and D equal to 90 degree for both triangles ADB and BDC. Thus, these three pairs of similar triangles are formed. First pair, triangle BDA is similar to triangle ABC. Second pair, triangle CDB is similar to triangle ABC. And the third pair, triangle BDA is similar to triangle CDB. I think you would have understood these concepts of similar triangles. If any query, please comment in my comment box. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe my channel and hence press the bell icon. Thanks.